Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the passage which is based on New Education Policy 2020. Get ready, start. Education is a fundamental need and right of everyone now, full stop, in order to achieve our goals and help develop a just society. We need education, full stop. Similarly, education plays a great role in the national development of a nation, full stop, as we are facing a major change in terms of knowledge globally. The Government of India approved the National Education Policy 2020, full stop. This essay on new education policy 2020 will help you learn how this new policy has replaced the National Education Policy 1986, that is 34 years old, full stop. This new policy has the aim of universalizing education from pre-school to secondary level, full stop. It plans to do that with a 100% GRE bracket gross enrollment ratio bracket close in schooling, full stop. The plan is to achieve it by 2020 oblique 2030, full stop. This essay on new education policy 2020 will highlight the changes brought in by this new policy, full stop. Firstly, the policy proposes to open Indian higher education in foreign universities, full stop stanza. It aims to introduce a 4-year multidisciplinary undergraduate program with various exit options, full stop. Thus, this new policy will strive to make the country of India a global knowledge superpower, full stop. Similarly, it also aims to make all universities and colleges multidisciplinary by the year 2040, full stop. Finally, the policy aims to grow employment in India and also bring fundamental changes to the present educational system, full stop. The policy gives an advantage to students of classes 10 and 12 by making the board exams easier, full stop. In other words, it plans to test the core competencies instead of mere memorization of facts, full stop. It will allow all the students to take the exam twice, full stop. Further, it proposes that an independent authority will be responsible for regulating both public and private schools, full stop. Similarly, the policy aims to diminish any severe separation between the educational streams and vocational streams in the schools, full stop. There will also be no rigid division between extracurriculum, full stop. Vocational education will begin at class 6th with an internship, full stop stanza. Firstly, it can make the education system expensive, full stop, meaning to say admission to foreign universities will probably result in this, full stop. Further, it will create a lack of human resources, full stop. If we look at the present elementary education, full stop, thus keeping this in mind, the National Education Policy 2020 can give rise to practical problems in implementing the system, that is for elementary education, full stop. Finally, there is also the drawback of the exodus of teachers, full stop. In other words, admission to foreign universities will ultimately result in our skilled teachers migrating to those universities, full stop. To conclude the essay on new education policy 2020, we can say that this policy is an essential initiative to help in the all around development of our society and country as a whole, full stop. However, the implementation of this policy will greatly determine its success, full stop. Nonetheless, with a youth dominant population, India can achieve a better state with the proper implementation of this education policy, full stop. This new policy has the aim of universalizing education preschool to secondary level, full stop and over. So ये डिक्टेशन थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्ट थी ड्यू टू सम वर्ड्स विच आर न्यू। तो इसके अंदर कुछ एक वर्ड्स भी आए हैं जो आपको ध्यान रखने हैं, जैसे न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है, एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है, नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी ईयर के साथ दिया हुआ है, तो आप उसको कैपिटल करोगे, ठीक है। उसके अलावा अगर एजुकेशन पॉलिसी बीच में आते तो आप उसको कैपिटल ना करोगे तो भी चलेगा, ठीक है। और यूनिवर्सलाइजिंग है, इसमें एस और जेड दोनों ठीक होता है, ठीक है। 2 ईयर 3 ईयर टाइम हो या 2 ईयर 3 ईयर कोर्सेज हो तो इसमें आप हाइफन भी लगा सकते हो और इसमें आप अपोस्ट्रोफी भी लगा सकते हो, ठीक है। अपोस्ट्रोफी अगर वन की बात हो रही है, एक सिंगुलर की बात हो रही है तो एस से पहले, और अगर 3 ईयर 4 ईयर 5 ईयर दिया हुआ है उसके बाद आपका टाइम पीरियड के बाद दे रखा है कि कोर्स है या स्टूडेंट्स है, ठीक है, तो आप उसको अपोस्ट्रोफी को बाद में लगाएंगे एस की, ठीक है। मैन की कंडीशन में उल्टा होता है, एम एन हो चाहे एम ई एन हो, हमेशा एस से पहले ही लगेगा अपोस्ट्रोफी, ठीक है। तो इन चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेंगे, इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे इन चीज़ों को, और जो जो वर्ड्स हार्ड है उनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, फिर दोबारा डिक्टेशन लेनी है। एक बार लिखने के बाद जो वर्ड्स आपके ड्रॉप होते हैं फिर उनकी दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करके फिर दोबारा डिक्टेशन लेनी है। सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।